The feeling is changed, it's far from the same, yeah. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce and I am back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with another lock update. I believe the last one I did was at 16 months and this one is 2021. We would just say that it is my 20/21st month of having my locks. Obviously, I am here to talk to you guys about my hair today. And let me just tell you guys, last night I was watching some of my old YouTube videos and I believe it was my 9-month lock video update that I was watching, and I was just like, wow, that's really crazy how far I've come. I can't believe I'm about to be locked for 2 years. It's very wild. Here we are today. So I guess we could just start talking about what's going on with my hair right now, what I've been doing, just the basics for real. It's been about 3 to 4 weeks post retwist. I had 2 strand twisting for like the first 2 weeks of my hair being done, and then I took it out and I've just been rocking my hair with the little waves in it. They are not as wavy as when I first took it out, but that's fine. But one thing that I've been doing consistently, and I feel like I mentioned it in the last update, maybe not, but I have been brushing my locks. So let me go get my brush. Okay, so I have my brush. I've been using this brush to brush my locks. Don't mind this, that's edge control. But I've been using this side, the softer side, to brush my locks. Both sides are actually really soft. This one's just a little bit harder. It's not a hard brush at all. Both sides are soft, and when I'm brushing them, I literally just go through my hair just like this, brush them like that. I've been brushing my locks consistently. I've heard about people brushing their locks before, but I never really thought that my hair was mature enough until recently to start actually brushing my locks. So I brush my locks because 1, it helps with the frizz. 2, the lint. It really helps get lint out of my hair, and lint is one thing I feel like I've been struggling with in the back row of my hair. So in my ACV rinse video, I told you guys that the back row of my locks, the 3 locks back here, they have lint in them. And yeah, the back 3 locks have lint in them, and I have tried to pick some of the lint out, but obviously I don't want to pick too much of the lint out because I don't want to mess with like the integrity of my locks. I do not want my locks like breaking or popping off because I decided to pick lint out of them. So I picked like the very visible lint that was like bothering me the most, and then I just left the rest. But I also feel like I had lint in those back rows because some nights I would just wear a bonnet and the bonnet wouldn't be that tight around, you know, the perimeter of my hair. And as you can see, my covers are like white and fuzzy. So I feel like that also contributed to getting lint in like the back row of my hair right here, as well as the clothes that I'm wearing. It is something that I really tried to avoid all throughout my lock journey, but here we are. I still got lint in my hair. Not to say that you shouldn't try to keep the lint out of your hair, because you should. I feel like if I didn't, you know, make my effort to reduce lint, I would have a lot more. But so I am going to wash my hair soon. When, I don't know exactly, just because I kind of like the way my hair looks right now. You know, your girl is getting some inches on her. I believe the next time that I do retwist my hair, I'm just going to do a regular retwist. No twist, no styling. Not that I ever really style my hair, but yeah, just so I can get like a gauge on how long my hair is. But as you can see, this is the top of my armpit. I have finally reached armpit length. But yes, I am very excited because I've definitely noticed a difference in the length of my hair, especially compared to the videos, my older videos that I was watching last night. So I'm just really glad that I've been able to record majority of my lock journey, and just so I can look back and go look at the progress, you know, later on down the line. Let me show y'all the back. My hair is long. Stop playing with me. Like, baby, I have inches, okay? In one of my videos that I was watching last night, again, I think it was a 9-month lock update, I was talking about how my hair was not fully locked and that I think it would take 2 years for my hair to completely lock. So I'm coming back around to that. I'm recapping I think, you know, that was a decent estimate for being 9 months locked. So I will show you guys that my hair is still not fully locked, okay? Still, like, and I think it's gonna take a little more than 2 years. I'll say 3. I'm not even two years yet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play it safe and say my hair will be locked completely by 3 years. So as you guys can see, this lock right here, thick, nice and thick, pretty locked, and then you get to the end right here. This is the portion of my hair that is not locked. As you can see, again, it's very flexible. I can bend it every which way. And then this part right here is not as flexible. It's pretty thick. It doesn't bend as easily as the other part. So that's how I know, like, the end portion of my hair is not completely locked. I don't really know what's going on with this one. It's just doing its thing. As you can see, this part right here is like, I don't even know. Y'all see that, right? I don't know. She's just doing what she wants to do, so we're gonna let her do what she wants to do. I say I'll be fully locked by the time 3 years rolls around. Let me see if I can find another one. Okay, here's another one right here. You might not be able to tell that much because the ends of my hair are like curled up from like the lock knots I put at the end of my twist. But my hair is pretty locked all the way up until here. This part is thick, not that bendable. Then this part at the end is just very flexible. And that's pretty much the pattern throughout my hair. My locks in the front, I feel like these are the main ones that are like fully locked. I don't really have that flexible piece at the end. My lock is pretty hard. That's another thing I feel like I've been seeing. People have been commenting on my videos like, oh, it's been like 10 months and my hair's still not locked. It's not gonna be fully locked at 10 months. I mean, at 10 months, you have a long way to go. Unless you get like instant locks or something, your hair is not gonna lock completely within the first year. It takes time, so that's my reminder for anybody who's, you know, kind of frustrated with like their hair not locking. It's locking, it's gonna take a lot longer than you think it will. Use me as an example. As far as how often I retwist my hair, I still do not retwist my hair on a schedule right now. If anything, I retwist anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks. I'll even say anywhere from a month to 2 months, because lately I have been stretching it. I haven't really been focused on like, okay, it's been a month, let me wash and retwist my hair. Like, I haven't really been focused on that. I really just do it whenever I feel like I need to, or if something, a special occasion is coming up and I want my hair to look fresh, then I retwist, or, you know, whatever. I'm not on like a strict schedule, but obviously I'm not retwisting my hair more often than 4 weeks at a time. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of what my hair is looking like, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.